Located at the center of the fastest growing county in the United States, Watford City, North Dakota was in desperate need for new education facilities following the boom of the Bakken oil fields. With the rapid growth, McKenzie County School District put forth an aggressive plan to build a state-of-the-art high school and event center that would meet the current and future needs of the school district. Having worked on numerous K-12 projects in North Dakota, such as Eric Ramstad Middle School in Minot and Prairie Rose Elementary in Dickinson, Braun Intertec was called to help solve the unique challenges that the project faced.
There was sandstone buried throughout the project in various locations. With the buried sandstone, it could be the problem of the settlement issues during the construction of the actual buildings.
The major challenge our team helped the client solve was the removal of a large hill with very steep sides. Smack dab in the middle of the project site was a 50-foot hill which needed to be removed in order to begin work on the foundation for the buildings.
They had a mountain to remove. They didn't know how they were going to accommodate that mountain in their design plan. The civil engineer worked on several different layouts to see what was the most feasible, and he wanted us to evaluate them all simultaneously, which was quite a challenge. And so we got involved in giving opinions about which site development strategy would be the most cost-effective in the long run. We tried to balance rock removal with the cost of removal and replacements of soft soil and give them some ideas to work with.
The civil engineer worked with us on 3 concepts in a very short timeline, which allowed the project to stay on schedule while making the best use of the soil conditions of the site. During the 2 years of building, Braun Intertec provided excellent representatives to evaluate and solve issues as they arose, often on the very same day. The rapid schedule of the project was a challenge Braun Intertec was eager to face. With the plan in place, it was time to remove the hill and prepare the site for construction. During the removal, our geotechnical engineers observed the earthwork and excavation of the hill.
We just went after this with a lot of enthusiasm. It became pretty apparent that most of the players involved wanted to work with us, so it was an easy sell to get involved.
The other major challenge facing the project was the severe cold weather of western North Dakota. Temperatures were routinely so cold, the client resorted to using ground thaw heaters to continue work through the winter months. During the construction of the facilities, our construction materials testing technicians performed special inspections on the structural and reinforcing steel of the building's frame, making sure that the frame was structurally sound and the steel was installed to design. At the same time, our building sciences team evaluated the heating and cooling efficiency by testing the windows for air infiltration. In addition, a fire stop inspection was performed to provide quality control and fire safety. By the time of completion, residents of Watford City and Braun Intertec representatives alike found a swell of pride when looking at their beautiful new facility.
I have a son who is a high school senior last year. He played a football game at the Watford City Stadium. The facilities are just exquisite. They did such a good job with the architectural details and the lighting. So I left that evening and I was just enjoying it. I looked in the windows, so I got a chance to go into the gymnasium and see how they liked the facilities. And I talked to a couple of the parents there that said this is just great. We benefited from it. I mean, my son played there and they did a great job. It's a great school.
Innovative solutions to complex challenges helped keep the construction schedule on target, delivering on our mission of being the consultant of choice for K-12 projects in North Dakota. Now open, the 160,000 square foot high school is able to accommodate approximately 800 students from grades 7 to 12 with modern classrooms, multimedia centers, and athletic fields.